Today we're back to the channel. So today we are going to teach you about give me a second, this is kinda awkward. Math. So most of the people who are watching this already know math. For people who don't, it's just like 1 plus 1 equal 2 or like more than that. So today we're going to learn about digit numbers because that's the first thing that we're going to learn about in math. So normally there is the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, which is upper one step every time, which in this little digit number, when it's reached to 9 and it's been plus 1, we have a new digit number that we're going to add 1. But since the last one we cut out into the new one, we're going to replace the old one as 0. So 0 is 10. Now we do that again until to 99, and then we plus another 1 to make 100, 1,000, and so on to a million. It's a million. The comma will help you a bit about seeing the million. Now that's the digit number, which always remember that every plus 1 is equal 1. If it just only a 1, it's 1 in the digit place that is in the left first. But every could know too, that's something called decimal point, that the decimal where we cut the 1 into tens to make a 0.1. So this is the digit number. If we cut it again, we got 0.01. If we cut that into tens again, we got the maximum 0.1 in the primary school, 0.01. So I'm going to teach you by using an app that I use here. So let me just get out of here real quick. It's called Class Academy. This is on my studio. It's called Clan Academy, which this one is where we use this is my account. No, 2294. Now I have to, so that's decimal, which I already get, which I am going to resume for you guys. Give me a second. Place value tables. Let's learn about that. Oh wait, this is the wheel. We're going to get started. What's 5 in the 956? So 5, this is in the tens place. We're going to press the B to check is correct. Now the digit 9 in which represent as 90, it have to be the 9 in the second place, which is C. Yep. What is represent is 2 in the third place is represent as 200. If you could just slide down and get that and check I'm correct. Now this is kind of easy because it's like primary 2 and I am better than primary 2, grade 2 or primary 2. So in 2 is also in the second, so we're going to go in 10th. The 8 digit that represent the, oh, this is not no longer a primary, now a primary 2 or grade 2 anymore, since that's 100,000, which 100,000 is mean a grade 5 at minimum. So it's B, because as you could see, it's in the start of the, in front of the comma, this is the 100. It represent of 600. You could always press the word return to 72. The place it is in 800. It's in the 100 place, so we're going to just check. To see, I level up because I did all correct. It's kind of easy. Now next, we're going to write a whole number in different forms, like a 110th, which represents 1,000. So which two? There's one of the Khan Academy ones is that we have two answers to answer. So one of them is must be B, but we know that there's a second one. 2,404. Yes. Yes, I was correct. Now I need the standard form is 80,000. 18,000 is one, is not the lowest, since 80,000 is like a 5 digit, which is one of two, so it's called 39. This is 39. 80,000, 39. Next, we to add up to this one. Check. I was right. Which two answer again of 430,000, 430,000, 936. Okay, this one definitely. Is this one another one? No, because the 3 has to be in the 0 place, which is not. Maybe C? Yep, it's C. No, second check. Now the last question, and we're going to move on to another one, another subject. 30,000, 300,000, 1,800. So 3 in the front, 1 in the back, which is this one. What form as 330? No, it's 300. Yes, this one. Check. I got it right. So Khan Academy is very good. All you need to do is just sign up your account. If you already have an account, just log in, and it's really good. Let's do this. Now, as I talk with the digit number, that's not only just decimals places, but there's something called negative and positive numbers. Now negative numbers, now as you can see here, this is a number line. As you can see, this 0, 1, 2, and 3. But as we can see, another one is -1, -2, and -3. Now let's pause a bit. One thing that might confuse most of the graders a lot is the negative number are lesser than 0. And we know that 0 is equal to nothing. So think about it. Is there something more lesser than nothing? Well, that sure is. It's called debt. Debt is something that you are in debt with, and you have to get rid of it to get it. Which, if in debt is like the money, like the credit card money, like you're in 10,000, that, or if we ask how many cash we earn, we just put a negative sign, say we earn 10,000 dollar music, dollar, baht, anything you want to set. Which, one more thing, if somebody offer you a negative 500 baht, dollar, euro, don't take it because it's called that you in debt. Now we're going to learn about how to plus a plus a minus, plus minus plus. Now we're going to change the color to chalk in here, or to paint negative plus negative, negative minus negative, positive plus negative, and and plus minus negative, and oops, I mean to use chalk. 1 minus, minus, and then use the blue as plus and minus and plus and plus. So the two first one you already know, so let's move on to others. I know it's a great one, but this is in the grade 7, or is in a grade 7 too, which always remember that you could, that minus and minus combines. I know that first off we would think that minus would have more lesser depth, but minus plus a minus, well, that sure is the thing. Minus 3 plus minus 10 is equal minus 13. And the other side do the opposite, as 10 minus 3 is equal minus 7. Wait, what? Okay, this might be confusing, but you could say this kind of confusing. These two are the most confusing, the most, so train them a lot. I may say wrong with this. If I do, I'm sorry, because it's kind of confusing. But let me think. I think I got it right. So plussing a negative is like, if we do 3 plus negative 3 is equal to 0, because the plus out, and 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Or if this is a full, it would be a negative 1. But if like negative 2, it would be a 1. And opposite of this one is like 3 minus 1 is actually 4. It's a positive, because minusing a negative will become a positive it's like you take away them. That's why it's make it positive. So this one is just minus what's in front. So like -1 minus 3. This might be confusing at first, but as we speak, we are not minusing a. But remember this carefully. We are not minusing a negative anymore. We're minusing a positive right here as 3. So it's going to be -4, I think. It's kind of confusing each time. But we're going to get the decimal negative numbers to like 1.1, -1.1. That is that too. Now, that is all for today of math. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, please. It will support me a lot. But best of all, please subscribe so you can see when I'm recording this more. And I record other videos too. I record a lot of other videos just by give me a second. Pressing any of these videos right here in the screen. Pressing the one with the icon of me and my sister, or the channel icon will lead you to my channel, and you could go and subscribe there. Or you can click another video for another video if you want to know what video you want to watch next. Just press that video. And I will see you guys next time. Bye guys!